Okay, now we're going to put it back together again. So I'm literally going to work backwards. Here we go. I'm taking my molded board. There she is. Isn't she pretty? Okay. I'm just going to slide it right back into these hooks that are at the bottom of the computer. Okay? And we'll start reconnecting cables too. Beautiful. And I just slide it right back in. All right. This back into here. And you'll hear a click too. You'll know what is in there. This, one of the ribbon cords, it's got just a plain black end right into here at the top center. Alrighty. These are going to go right back into here. Just punch them out, just like that. See what I'm doing? Oh, wait a minute. I think we need a mold in here. Okay, that's okay. Sorry. That goes there. This goes here. So, blue, orange, black. Like that. Okay. Good. Everything looks good. Okay. Now we're going to take our RAM. I'm going to put our RAM back in. So remember there's those little locks on the sides here? Just going to slide them back in. Lock it. It's really hard to lock. This one first. I'm having a little trouble locking it, so just give me 1 second. There we go. Just gotta apply a little bit of pressure. Beautiful. That's our RAM. Let's put our hard drive. Or rather, let's put our video sound card back. So there's a piece here. There you go. This piece down here, there's a little spot for it, right in here. As long as it slides in there, you should be good to go. There it is. And then you put that clip back down, just like that. Okay. Hard drive. Little clips. And remember, I labeled the cables when we do eventually get there because they're all connected to the power supply. So we're going to slide this right back in here. Okay, that works. Then we're going to take our floppy disk drive, which is, again, only on these older computers. Beautiful. And we can actually connect our one data cable here. Just like that. Okay, this isn't connected, just this one. Okay, beautiful. And then we can connect our CD/DVD drive. Great. And then this data cable is right here. Beautiful. And this one over here. Right. Yes. Beautiful. Okay, we're almost done. Last but not least, our power supply. Go back in. Take this. First thing we're doing, we're just going to slide it back in. Most of these internal components slide right back in. Most of the time you hear a click just like that. Okay, and here we go. Now remember, the cables have these little metal clips or sometimes plastic clips that look like this to keep them contained so they're not all over the place. So just make sure that when you are putting this back together, it will fall into the clips. Now, the hard drive was the P2 cable, so here it is. Okay, and some of these like P4s and P5s, those aren't used unless there's something else in the computer that requires them to be connected. So here we go. Okay, there's our P2. This is going to go right back. Where's my P3? Here's P3. Nope. Okay. So there's that clip that I was telling you about. There's that clip right there that I was telling you about. So that it's not all over the place. There's another one down here. 3. Alright, and these we can just kind of here. Okay. And then this TP one, this connects to the motherboard, which is right here. It's white, can't miss it. Just like that. And that's that. And just to make sure we have everything connected, yes we do. And there we have it. So, it looks like I successfully disassembled and reassembled a standard Dell desktop computer. I hope you learned something today, and take care.